To determine if you have a narrow or regular PTB arm, insert a penny into the end of the wiper arm. If it fits, you have a regular PTB arm. If it's too large, you have a narrow PTB arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude water repellency blade on a regular PTB type arm. First, pry off the adapter cover by inserting your thumb under the edge, lift slightly, and remove the cover with your opposite hand. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the wiper arm under the Rain-X logo and slide the blade down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean and dry. Turn on the wiper blades and run the wipers dry at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then spray your washer fluid and watch for water beading to indicate the technology has been activated. It's that simple. You're done. When it's time to change your wipers, simply lift the Rain-X tab with your finger and pull the blade away from the arm. It couldn't be easier.